Ferrari rosso. No, grazie.
It goes up, up, na 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 na. Whoa, oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Good morning from the racetrack in Modena. We had to be told that we're going to drive the Ferraris. Apparently we're just sitting next to the driver, but that means we can go super fast, so that's exciting. First two are going now, and not long until it's my turn as well. As part of the Social Travel Summit conference, I traveled to the beautiful Italian cities of Modena and Bologna with a bunch of my travel blogger friends. Our group did not just explore the incredible culture and food that the region of Emilia Romagna has to offer, but we were on a special mission to learn all about the Motorvalley with its factories, museums and experiences dedicated to engines such as Ducati, Lamborghini, Maserati and my personal favorite, Ferrari.
Ferrari.
My name is Pietro, I am the chief instructor. I will be one of your drivers. The cars are both 458 Challenge. Challenge is the entry level about Ferrari for race car. The car, the 458, will be quite important for the story of the brand because we have the last natural aspirated engine that Ferrari produced, V8 with 570 brake horsepower. Someone, of course, will help you to be seated and to fix your belts.
Ready?
Yes, absolutely. Been waiting for months for this.
So Nienke, you get the red one, you happy?
I cried hard enough to be in the red one. Yes, of course. Oh my god, that was awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Never get out. This is the hard part. What the fuck? That was amazing. Oh guys, that was the best day.
Thank you.
Kevin?
Yes,
Here we go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Nienke.
Yes, close enough.
Sorry about the pronunciation.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy your morning and maybe see you again.
Thank you.